Perhaps you still have the stock insulating jacket and you need a battery that fits, or you're just interested in a step-by-step replacement. We've got it covered with info on the battery size as well as what to do after installation. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. On the positive, loosen the nut closest to the battery post to remove the whole junction box. Then there's this bracket down here at the base with enough space for a tool with one side only. Anyway, careful not to drop the bolt, because who knows where it will end up. Slide the new battery in under this lip and start fitment in the reverse order, so positive first. I'll share some info on the factory size as well as this one a bit later. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. Then lastly, fit the negative cable. For the insulating sleeve to fit, you'll need a battery with these dimensions, or otherwise the one we used is slightly bigger but pretty much the maximum size that will fit in the tray. There were no warnings on startup. And a radio code isn't necessary. You might just have to set the upper and lower limits of the one-touch windows. Press and hold the button all the way down and hold it down for about 3 seconds after it's fully open. Then do the same for closing and repeat for each one-touch window. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.